तर तुम्हाला बोलायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, पण इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायचं आहे. काहीही येईल, काहीही हरकत नाही, पण बोला. ठीक आहे. तर आय वुड रिक्वेस्ट बेनझीर बेनझीर सय्यद, तुला कोणत्या विषयावर बोलायचं आहे की मी बोलू, विषय देऊ? सॉरी.
Hello,
ये येस बेनझीर.
Sumida.
Okay, so your topic is about myself, about your whole family, and what are your future plans. Okay.
Okay.
बाबू लवकर आवर, अभ्यासाला बसायचंय. तरी
Start. Will you turn on your video, beta?
Shall I start?
Yes, please.
Okay. I am Benazir Sayyed. I am from Baramati. I have completed diploma in ENTC from MSBT University, and I have completed degree in Savitribai Phule University from ENTC. There are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is businessman, mother is housewife. My brother is studying now, and I have one grandmother. Now I'm doing as an embedded engineer in Cyber System Private Limited, and I want to be a perfect in my field. This is my future plan, and I want to improve my English. This is also my plan. Thank you.
Very good, Benazir. What I liked about you, it was very precise. It was very precise, very meticulous. That's what I liked about your introduction and about your future plans. Very good. It was up to the point. Whatever was needed, you gave it. Right? That's very good, Benazir. Very good. Confidence, very good. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, good. So I would request Bipin Mishra. Same topic. Topic is myself, my family, and my future plans. Okay.
My name is Bipin Mishra. I am 26 years old. I stay in Kandivali Road, and currently I am working in Enterprise as a social media executive. And talking about my family, there are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is a government servant. My mother is housewife. My brother is into matrimony, and my sister works for social media company. That was all about my family. And talking about my future goals, I want to pursue PG from Canada. So I'm preparing for IELTS right now. That's all about my future goals. Thank you.
Very nice, Bipin. Thank you very much. Good. Very good. I mean, the fluency, of course, no doubt. You have got very good command on English, especially the vocabulary. Very good, Bipin. Thank you very much. And so happy to know that you are preparing for Canada. We wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next contestant, Pooja. Pooja Chavan. Same topic. Yes, Pooja.
I am from Baramati. I have completed my education degree from Someshwar Engineering College education field. I have also completed my diploma in same field from Maigaon Engineering
Bus.
College, Baramati. And currently I am working at Cybic System Private as a website developer. I'm working in WordPress, and I have to improve my knowledge in WordPress and coding as well. This is my goal, and I also have to improve my English. This is my another goal. If I talk about my family, there are 6 members in my family. My mother, and I have 4 sisters. My one sister is married, and remaining two are studying. My father passed away when we were very small. That's all about my family. Thank you.
Very good, Pooja, and so proud of you that you have got very good command on English. Nobody will believe that you are from vernacular medium, right? Which medium are you from? Are you from English medium or vernacular medium?
From Marathi medium, sir,
Yes.
ZP school, Jilla Parishad
Oh
Katla.
wow, that's really good. That's really appreciating, because I know that Bipin has a command on English, and he has got very good score in IELTS preparation. But since you belong to Baramati and you belong to a government school and you speak such a good English, and after attending the lecture, I have seen that your English has improved greatly. Really good. I mean,
Yes, sir, yes.
yes, I can see that. I can see that change. Very good. And you have got very good grasping power, grasping abilities. That's more important. Thank you, Pooja. Wish you very all the best for your
Thank you,
future
sir.
plans. Very good. Next question. Next contestant is Rushali Pawar. Rushali, your topic is same. Myself, my whole family, my future plans.
क्या काय करा पाहिजे वगैरे पिशवी प्रॅक्टिस घ्या
Rushali Pawar, turn on your video and audio.
पिशवी काय ठेव काय ठेव बाजूला काय काय पिशवीच्या बाजूला
Okay. Siddhi Shirsat,
ओके
turn on your video and audio,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
start.
Hi, I am Siddhi. I am studying in 11th standard by Durgadevi Saraf College. There are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is businessman and my mother is housewife. I want to become an IS officer. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we wish you very all the best, and we hope to see you becoming an IS officer. Good. You got very good, big dreams, very good. It should have been a bit bigger than this. Next time, be prepared, and I want you to give more. I mean, the content should be more, right? Your fluency was good, confidence level was very good, right? And but the tone was very good, Siddhi. What is needed? Content. So next time it was only 4 5 sentences today. Next time I want at least 30 sentences. Next time, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good girl. Next, Soham Bane. Soham, turn on your video and audio, and just do the speech on the same topic.
Hi, my name is Om Sadasrevane. I'm 16 years old. I'm currently in 11th standard in Patkar Worthy College, and I'm taking science. About my hobbies, uh, I like to play kabaddi. I'm playing every day. I won and won a cricket fight. About my family background, there are 4 members, including me, my elder brother, my mother, and father. My father is a serviceman, my mother is a housewife, and my big brother completed his BE in UP.
Very good, Soham. Very good introduction, and I think you have covered almost all the points. Good. Thank you very much, Soham. And but what is important that see, you must have noticed about Pooja, Bipin, and Benazir. Whatever they said, the things which they said today, you could see a kind of confidence in them, right? सो दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. आप लोग जब बोलते हो तो आपकी बातों में कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए. तो कॉन्फिडेंस कब आता है पता है? जब आपका सराउंडिंग वैसा होगा और जब आप रोज़ का प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, आपके कॉलीग्स में, दोस्तों के बीच में, ठीक है. तो फिर वो सब चीज़ें ज़रूरी होती हैं जब आप लोग बात करते हो और आप लोग का उसमें से कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग होता है. तो कोई भी सेंटेंस फटाक से आपको फ्लुएंटली आप बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. किसी के भी विपिन हैज़ अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड सर्कल, उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो इसकी उसकी इंग्लिश अच्छा है, राइट. और पूजा और बेनजीर का भी आई कैन सी दैट शायद से उनका इंटरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट में बहुत है इंग्लिश में, एंड दैट्स वाई देयर फ्लुएंस वॉज वेरी गुड कंपेरेटिवली. तो आप लोगों को भी क्या करना है, सब ठीक है लेकिन थोड़ा सा आप लोग थोड़ा सा एक्सेंट डालो, थोड़ा उसमें थोड़ा सा आपका एक्सेंट तो ठीक है, चलो थोड़ा सा उसमें थोड़ा सा बॉडी लैंग्वेज, थोड़ा सा बॉडी जेस्चर, ये सब चीज़ें ज़रूरी है उसके अंदर, ठीक है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट नाउ Bipin and Soham develop a talk, a conversation on the topic Corona and pandemic. Corona, lockdown, this is your topic. So I would request Bipin and Soham develop a conversation. Can you?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, yes, Soham.
Yeah. Hi, Soham. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I hope.
How are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I hope you are
How's
taking the precautions regarding COVID-19.
yeah? You too, na?
Yes, yes, I'm
Yeah,
taking.
not it because I'm under 18. That's why.
Okay, so they are not allowing you.
Yeah, yeah. What about you?
Yes, yes, I got my first dose and second dose is due in the month of September.
Oh, that's
Even my
nice.
family, yeah, even my family members are vaccinated by now.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's good.
and I think they are developing vaccines for below 18 also in UK.
Yeah, soon.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. So how was
What
your
about
last
you?
1.5 year?
1.5 year. It's so difficult to go outside, but still it's steady, clear.
Okay,
Everyone
so
knows
I think.
about there is no need
Mm-hmm.
to go outside. We can manage our own any work in online. That's why
Mm-hmm.
everyone know
So
about
you,
it.
so you are right now in college or school?
Yeah, I'm in college, 11th standard.
Okay, so you got promoted last year or you had given exam of
No,
SSC?
no, no. My 11th standard exam not done yet. That's why. Either I am in 12th standard.
Okay, okay, because of this COVID.
Yeah.
Mm.
They
So
takes
last
lots
year
of
you
time.
gave the exam. So last year you
Yeah.
gave the exam.
Yeah. 10th exam.
Okay, okay. So how was it? Like
Yeah,
going with the
it's
mask
good.
and everything.
Yeah, that's very surprised, very enthusiastic. First time.
Yes, yes.
That's why.
It was difficult. And right now you are attending classes from your mobile phone or laptop.
Yeah, mobile phone.
Okay, okay. So how's your experience about that? Because of COVID-19, people have moved to digital.
Yeah, there have lots of people in villages side.
Mm-hmm. So you're from Baramati.
No, I'm from Mumbai.
Okay,
Maladi is
Malad.
at Maladi. Yeah,
Okay, okay. I'm from Malad West.
yeah. I'm
Mm-hmm.
8 years old.
Yes, yes. So even for us, right now I'm working. So for us also, it's quite difficult to work online because the
Yeah,
communication gap is there. We can't
yeah.
communicate with each other.
Lots of
Mm.
noise during the online
Confusion.
lecture in home. Yeah,
Hmm. But there are advantages also. We can have ample amount of time to work out, roam around with friends, etc. What about you?
yeah, yeah. My fathers and mother don't get permission to go outside. That's why
Okay. So you stay home all day.
inside the home. Yeah, all day.
Okay. So
What
it
did you
will be
take
quite
to?
boring.
Yeah, little bit. but sir is
So you
also
are.
with me now. I'm chatting with
Mm-hmm.
him.
Okay, okay.
What did you
So
take
you are.
precaution during this lockdown?
I sanitize my hands, wash my hands, and use mask, social distancing. Yeah, that's it. What else we can do?
Yeah. Do you want to say a suggestion for a younger about
Yeah, you can.
COVID
Mhm.
19?
You can just maintain social distancing. That's the key to avoid COVID-19. That's it. And I was also infected by COVID-19 last year, so it
Oh,
was a quite a thrilling situation for us, as I was infected in the month of June, I guess.
okay. Now,
So
how are you
everyone
feeling?
was calling me. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So everyone was calling and asking me, how's it? You are the first one in our circle who got infected. So everyone was like, how's your experience
What do you think? It is good, bad? म्हणजे how is your experience? Everyone say.
regarding COVID?
Yeah.
Uh, Obviously, it's bad thing because we are limited to our home. We can't go out. We can't roam around. As I had a habit of going out on weekends, but now I can't. So it's quite a bad thing, and it's bad for the economy also.
Yeah, but news TV told that some of the people who has been positive in COVID-19, they left that ward because they think that the doctors will be kill us after a minute, म्हणजे
Hmm.
after a while
Yes, yes.
because we are
Yeah, yeah.
COVID-19.
These are the rumors. Rumors.
Rumors.
Spreads faster than the actual news.
Yeah,
So don't believe in rumors. Just focus on what government says, aims, WHO. These are the right platform where you can get knowledge from. So you
mm,
should read all those articles. And even yesterday,
follow it.
PM Modi, yeah, yesterday PM Modi, uh, he also told to get vaccinated and don't believe on rumors. So I think
Yeah,
everyone should get vaccinated.
our Maharashtra is first in
Yes, yes,
maximum
Maharashtra in
vaccinated
topping.
person. Yeah,
Maharashtra is topping in
for,
everything. COVID cases,
yeah,
vaccinated people. Even for this new variant of Delta Plus,
yeah,
we are on the top, Maharashtra.
yeah,
Now they have lifted the unlock process so that they can control
yeah,
the COVID
uh,
19 Delta Plus cases.
yeah. After 6 or 7, everyone will be shut down, na?
By
6 p.m.
4 o'clock. By 4 o'clock. Today
By 4.
onwards, they have started. Yeah, after 4 you can't open the sorry, shops and all.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Anything
That's
else?
it. I think that's enough for the day.
Yeah. Thank you. I pleased to talking with you.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Bye.
Very good,
Catch you.
Bipin. Very good,
Yes.
Soham. Both of you were really incredible. I mean, I'm speechless.
Thank you.
And you spoke about all those important aspects which are really important current scenario. Contemporary, the situation is so grave that it is difficult to differentiate between the authentic news and the rumor, the fake one, right? Even I was the person, I mean, I had fallen prey to this thing. I did not, let me give you my personal example. Even I did not believe in all this, and I was the person who used to think that corona is just a scam, it is just a conspiracy. Yes, I used to think that it is just a normal influenza, normal flu-like, and it is. I mean, it can be dealt with by sitting at home and taking home medicines and all. There are so many governments, world leaders are indulged in this scam, and that's why they want people to take it seriously, to get scared, so that they'll get money from the governments, from the central government, and WHO can issue funds to them. So it was like that. And but I took it so lightly, and I did not
World
wash.
Bank, sir.
Yeah, World Bank. Yeah, exactly. And I did not
Mm-hmm.
take it so seriously, and I did not use mask properly. I did not wash my hands every now and then, and because I used to think it's a scam, it's a conspiracy, it is just a hoax. Corona is a hoax. I used to tell people. I used to make them realize that how it is a hoax, and why, and these waves, and I used to make fun of people. I used to laugh at it. But the moment I myself got contracted with COVID, and I saw the report RT-PCR positive, I said, "Baapre, ये तो सब सच है यार." And then I realized, oh God, it is how I was living in just a wrong dream.
Assumptions.
Yeah, no, no, wrong assumption, presumption. That's the reason. And since then, I started telling people, no, it's not a hoax. It is true. Corona is there. Yeah, it's true that it is not that as deadly, but if you just get the symptom within 2 3 days, you must admit yourself in the hospital. Then they will give the treatment and you will be all right. If you delay the treatment, if you stay at home for 5 6 7 8 days and then you rush to the hospitals, it could be complicated. But if you admit yourself in the hospital immediately after seeing the symptoms, you will be all right. Yeah, I mean the mortality rate is very low, right? But you have to admit yourself immediately. That's more important. But it was very good conversation, Bipin and Soham. It was quite difficult for me to decide who was better than whom. So for me, you both are winners for this. Okay. Thank you very much, Bipin. Thank you, Soham. Yeah. So now next contestants. Yeah. Now next couple is friends. आप लोग को री-एंट्री करना लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद में पूजा एंड सिद्धि. Pooja Chavan from Baramati and Siddhi Shirsat from Mumbai. Rushali, you will have to turn on your video and audio beta this time. And your topic is same. Corona, lockdown, this world pandemic, start. Rushali later. Ata this is Siddhi's time na. So let Siddhi start and yours will be with Benazir. Yes, Pooja and Siddhi. तुमचा विषय आहे कोरोना. कोरोना, लॉकडाऊन, ही पॅन्डेमिक, जागतिक महामारी या विषयावर तुम्हाला दोघींना बोलायचं आहे. ह्यानंतर विषय होता सोहमचा आणि ह्याचा विषय बिपिनचा सेम विषय तुम्हाला पण आहे. पूजा अँड
Okay.
सिद्धी शिरसाट.
Hello, Sri. Hello.
Hello, Benji. Hello.
पूजा चव्हाण आहे तुझ्यासोबत. हां, पूजा, दॅट्स पूजा चव्हाण.
हाँ.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
You? Hello.
I am listening. Siddhi, how Corona and lockdown, when that all this will stop.
Hello, sir. आवाज नहीं येते. ब्रेक होते. I think network
I
issue
think there's some
आहे.
network issue from your side, Pooja. Pooja left. Yeah. Wait. She's coming again. Yeah. Restart. Okay.
Hello, Siddhi.
Okay, Siddhi is not there. There is a network issue from our side as well. Pooja and Rushali Pawar. Rushali, turn on your video. Good girl. Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also fine. What do you do?
Where are you from?
Sorry,
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Okay.
You?
From Baramati.
Okay. Mm,
जरा पंखा लाओ.
Hello. precaution in COVID-19?
Okay, Pooja, you carry, Rushali, you carry on. What precaution will you take during COVID?
I wash my
Good.
sanitize hands.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, just
Sorry, I can.
wait, Rushali. Actually, there is some issue from Pooja's side. Your network is good. I think let us Benzir and Rushali start. Benzir, turn on your video and
Yes, sir.
audio. Yeah.
Let sir. Hello, Rushali.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also fine. What do you
Okay.
do?
I have. Hello.
Hello.
Can you speak more loudly? I can't hear you.
What do you do? What do you do?
Sorry, Rushali, I can't hear you.
She's saying, what do you do?
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, I have working with Cybit System Private Limited company as an embedded developer.
Nice.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm studying 10th standard.
Okay. So, what about your lectures? You are attending online.
Yes.
Okay.
You you must take precaution in COVID-19.
Yes, yes. Now I'm wearing mask also because I have stayed outside.
Yes, yes.
I have taken all the precautions. I'm serious about COVID-19. So you have to take precautions too.
Ah, yes, yes. You watch news COVID-19 in TV?
Sorry?
You watch news COVID-19 in TV
No,
or
no.
study?
Uh, I have not. I didn't watch. Hello?
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 How your site?
So what is your future plan?
I I I want to become a commercial pilot. That's my dream.
Okay. So you must take precautions.
Yes.
Mm, okay. Thank you. Bye.
First of all, let me appreciate both of you, Benzir and Rushali. You both had a very good confidence and also the body language, the gesture, the facial expression. I mean, you guys were literally enjoying the conversation. That is more important, right? The way Bipin and Som enjoyed the dialogue, same thing you did, and it is really appreciating. I mean, especially Rushali, she's so young, She's just in 10th standard, and at such a young age, she is very good at English. And I'm sure, Rushali, you have a very bright future. Very good, Rushali. So proud of you.
Sir.
Yeah, and Benzir, of course, you are amazing. You are really amazing. Good. You know why? Because what I noticed about you, you have got presence of mind. Presence of mind,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, means to think critically on a difficult situation. That I noticed a slight conversation, and those points could be really noticed by anybody, and that's why I can say that you have got that thing in you. Very good, Benazir, and you used grammar properly. Yeah, that's more important. I didn't watch, right? That sentence which he used, it was, that means you tried to stick to the grammar as well while speaking. That's more important. Okay, very good, Benazir. Nice. And so I think,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, good girl. So I think we should give chance to Siddhi and Pooja. They have come up with a new network thing. I hope so.
Yes.
Pooja, yeah, Pooja, see Siddhi, Benzer is sitting outside. So could you sit outside next time so that it will be easier for you to have a good connection? Maybe, I don't know exactly this position, location. Good, okay. So now, yeah, but now we can hear you clearly. Siddhi, turn on your video and audio, and we'll continue with the same topic. Siddhi and Pooja.
Hello, Siddhi.
Hello,
Hello. How are you, Siddhi?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. What do you do?
I'm studying in 11th standard.
Okay.
And you?
I'm doing job, as I said,
Online or offline?
online. Now work from home is hello.
Hello.
What do you think about this lockdown and corona, all these things? When will this all stop? It will stop or not?
Yes, it will stop.
It should have to stop. What precautions do you take in this situation? Hello.
Sorry, network issue.
What
Yes, we can.
precautions do you take in this situation?
Keep the social distancing, wear the mask.
Okay, good. You should take all the precautions, and you also have to take care of your family in this situation. You are in 11th standard, right? Your lectures, hello?
Hello.
You are in 11th standard. Your lectures are online or offline?
Online lectures.
Okay.
Um,
Okay, then take care. Stay home. Stay safe.
yes, and you too.
Yes. Thank you.
Very good, Pooja, and very good, Siddhi. Very good, Pooja, and very good, Siddhi. It was clearly visible that Pooja has Pooja has that habit of speaking English. We could see that, right? But what I liked about her, that she tried to put more and more content in it. It means she was not empty-handed. She had something in her bag. That's more important. And she knew how to enhance the conversation, right? I mean, sometimes people don't know what to say or what to add in the conversation, but here she knew how to increase the time of conversation. That is more important. Very good, Pooja. And Siddhi, very good. And really, I mean, you deserve appreciation because you are younger than her, but still you tried your best to, counter her. That's more important. Very good, Siddhi. Very good, Pooja. Now I would switch the companions. I would switch the. Yes. So I would switch the companion now. Pooja and Bipin and Benzir Soham and Siddhi Rushali. Okay. So Pooja and Bipin, your topic is why is India a great country? In this, you have to talk about the greatness of India.
Uh, okay, very good, Bipin, and very good, Puja. See, what was clearly visible here that you must have read almost all the newspapers which are available virtually or physically, because the knowledge which Vipin has is really praiseworthy, is really incredible. But we can say all those things only after watching those news channels or reading those news. And now Pooja must have understood that we must watch news channels every day, almost every day for half an hour, right, Pooja? Because you have got command on English, you have got confidence, you have got facial expression, everything is there. You have got very good voice, and I mean some people have, yeah, but that can be increased if you watch news channels regularly. Henceforth, म्हणजे आतापासूनच ह्याच्या पुढे henceforth म्हणजे henceforth you must watch news channels every day. You must subscribe to BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, or NDTV. There are many news channels which are in English. You should start watching those news channels. Second, start watching serials in English. There are many serials, English serials, so you should watch that also. And third, start watching English cartoons, first of all, because English cartoons language is very easy to understand, and sometimes they also write subtitles. So it's easy to understand, and it will definitely help you to enhance your knowledge of English communication. So I would request all of you, I would advise all of you, अच्छा ह्याच्या पुढे सगळ्यांना काय करायचं, रेग्युलरली इंग्लिश न्यूज चॅनल्स बघा. ठीक आहे. न्यूज चॅनल्स बघा आणि नंतर न्यूजपेपर वाचा तुम्ही लोक न्यूजपेपर काय चाललं जगामध्ये, इंडियाचे काय कंडिशन स्टेटस आहे सध्याच्या वर्ल्डमध्ये आणि आपण कुठे आहोत नेमकं, काय करायला हवं. ठीक आहे. सोशल स्टेटस काय असतं नेमकं ते सगळं तुम्हाला कळेल ते. ठीक आहे. तर ते सगळ्यांनी बघायला लागेल. तर रोजच्या रोज इंग्लिश न्यूज बघा, इंग्लिश न्यूजपेपर वाचा आणि त्यानंतर मग इंग्लिशच ह्याच मालिका, सिरियल्स त्या बघा. त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार, तुम्हाला भरपूर तुमचं इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव्ह होणार. आणि तिसरं काय करायचं, रोजच्या रोज इंग्लिश कार्टून्स बघा. कार्टूनमुळे पण तुम्हाला इंटरेस्टेड वाटेल थोडंसं, आणि त्यामुळे पण तुमचं इंग्लिश खूप इम्प्रूव्ह होईल. तुम्हाला सगळ्या टिप्स दिल्यात मी. बाकी सर्वांनी आज खूप छान छान मस्त परफॉर्मन्स केलं. अँड टुडेज विनर इज ऑफकोर्स बिपिन मिश्रा. Friends, put your hands together and encourage him. Very good, all of you. Very good, Bipin. Thank you very much for giving us this important knowledge. Many things even I did not know about India, that India has the highest production of vaccination. Serum plays vital role in this. Very good, Bipin. And thank you very much. So, Bipin is the winner of the day, right? And there are many others. But of course, Bipin has stolen the show today. ठीक आहे. अँड व्हेरी गुड दॅट पूजा हॅज ॲडमिटेड. पूजाची मला एक सगळं आवडली की शी हॅज रिअलाइज की मी अजून काय केलं पाहिजे. कारण की तुझी स्ट्रॉंग बाजू काय आहे तुला चांगलं माहिती आहे, आणि आम्ही पण नोटीस केलेलं आहे. युअर गॉड हॅज गिवन यू ब्रेन, गॉड हॅज गिवन यू क्युरिओसिटी, गॉड हॅज गिवन यू fluency, confidence, everything. Very good command or English at this age, and especially you belong to countryside area, but still you are doing your best, right? What is needed is content, knowledge, and that can be achieved by watching news channels, right? ते आपण न्यूज बघून आपण ते नॉलेज आपण अचीव्ह करू शकतो. फक्त ते तू, आणि तुझं तर ब्रेन एवढं चांगलं आहे ना, तू 2-3 महिने पण न्यूज बघितलंस ना तरी पण तू बीपीला टफ देशील. You can fight with Bipin even after watching 2-3 months, right? So even you can prepare for UPSC. Siddhi बोलली, she want to become an IAS officer. So UPSC ची एक्झाम द्यायच्यासाठी पण तुम्हाला खूप गरजेचं आहे, जसं बिपिन बोलला की ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी बघितल्यामुळे आता तो जे नॉलेज बोलतोय ना ते सगळं UPSC मध्ये गरजेचं असतं. UPSC म्हणजे आफ्टर क्लिअरिंग UPSC यू कॅन बिकम कलेक्टर, कमिशनर. मग ते पण तुम्हाला गरजेचं आहे. त्यामुळे तुमचं नॉलेज आहे ना आता ऑल राउंडर नॉलेज ठेवा. ठीक आहे? हे आजचा तुम्हाला मेसेज मिळाला बरोबर. ओके? सो फ्रेंड्स, वी विल स्टॉप हिअर टुडे. Yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the lecture today, and we'll meet tomorrow again. Okay? Chalo. Bye. Take care. God bless you.